Previously on The Walking Dead.
Go to hell, Joan!
It's Kate! She's coming for us!
Kate!
Et ça, les amis, c'est la merde totale. Salut à tous et à toutes, je suis Seros et bienvenue dans la suite et l'épisode final de The Walking Dead, la nouvelle frontière. Cette série de jeux s'adapte aux choix que vous faites. L'histoire est déterminée par votre façon de jouer. Et pour le coup, on va faire un petit flashback des
While
familles.
we're still breathing, Javi, I'm letting the bones speak to me. Oh my god.
Oh, I think I can hear them. They're saying, "You're gonna lose, come mierda, so play already."
I must have inherited patience from Ma. Oh, come on, man.
Ah oui, attends,
Calm
5,
down, baby.
5, 5, 2,
No one is ever
on va
enough.
mettre celui-là.
If he plays his last bomb, you're out of the will, Javier.
Kicked out of baseball. Can't play dominoes.
Oh merde,
Exactly
j'ai
what you
gagné!
good at again, Javi? At least I can actually play baseball. Slugger.
That's enough, both of you. It's not Javi's fault he's a disgrace to the game of dominoes.
I won. That's $10 you owe me. Both of you. I know you're broke, Javi. You should sit out the next
J'ai
game.
pas encore
since
perdu,
we
hein.
all know I'm gonna win. No shame in surrender. We'd all understand.
Don't kid yourself. You got lucky.
Fuck luck. That was skill. Pay up, little brother. If you can.
I'll cover for Javier.
Oh, is it your turn to do that now? I lost track. Poor, helpless Javi.
Get my wallet, mijo.
Keep an eye on him. You don't want him snatching an extra 20 for gas money.
It's on the counter.
Yeah. Sure, Pa.
Il me reste encore une dominée dans la main. Je comprends pas. Ça se joue comment en fait les dominos?
Pa? What's this? Hey! Man, I was reading that. What? What's up?
What the fuck is this?
None of your business.
He has cancer.
Oh.
Pa? Really?
I'm old. Old people get cancer. You didn't need to know.
That's not for you to decide! Oh my god! Jesus, Pa. I'm so sorry.
Be sorry for your domino skills.
How bad?
It's okay, mijo. Ask me.
How bad is it?
You won't have to worry about paying me back that $10.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, Pa.
Hey, settle, David. Now,
You haven't told Mama.
and neither will either of you. You hear me? Mouth shut.
Whatever you want, Pa. I won't say a word.
Oh, of course, I have to be the one who tells her. Am I the only one here with any sense of responsibility? You're gonna need her help with this, Pa. Driving you to the doctor, getting prescriptions.
Wait, what are your options? Treatment, stuff like that.
Chemo, radiation, all that expensive mierda.
Great. When do you start?
I turned it down.
Turned it down? You don't get to turn it down.
So much money, and for what? Another month. Another game of dominoes to lose? It's not worth it.
If I was still playing ball, I could have paid for it.
I'll pay for it.
It's not happening. Save your money.
Fuck the money, I can afford it.
You can afford it, David. But my pride can't. Let's play another game.
You are a fucking coward. A selfish coward. Javi, can you believe this shit?
Just because you're afraid doesn't mean he is, David. It's not always about you.
Sit down.
J'ai pas soutenu
Both of you.
David là-dessus. J'essayais d'arrondir les angles avec lui depuis le début, mais là c'est pas
I
possible.
pray
en fait.
for daughters.
Là-dessus j'ai des...
Every night your mother was pregnant with both
C'est
of
des
you.
choix difficiles.
Please, God,
Situation
a
difficile,
daughter.
tout ça, tout ça.
Anything but a son. Anything but another me. Anything but another hot-headed idiot with his heart in the right place. Anything but another foolhardy, handsome gambler. Anything at all.
Please, Papa. Don't give up. Fight. Fight for our name. For our blood. For our family. Please, fight.
Il doit vivre sa vie, c'est sa vie à lui. Il
It's
décide.
your life, Pa. Live it however you want, or as long as you want.
You're both the same, only thinking about yourselves.
C'est lui, il est égoïste par contre. en
Don't
fait.
worry, Pa. He'll come around.
You should have supported him.
Je suis les conseils du papa. Et je vais suivre ses conseils. Tu dois te battre.
You have to fight, Pa.
C'est quelqu'un qui m'a dit.
We don't just give
Dans
up,
l'oreillette.
any of us.
Enfin, tu vois le truc quoi.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. I'll think about it.
Oh, thank you, Pa. Thank you, Javi.
Now can we play another game?
I'll grab some more beers.
So, what are you really gonna do?
Truth be told, whatever gets your mother off my ass. You think you two were mad at me for keeping secrets? But it's good to see you and David on the same side of things, or a change.
C'est quelqu'un qui m'a dit.
I'm gonna be a name carved in
Quelqu'un
stone
de très
before
sage.
you know it, Javier.
Il m'a dit.
That'll
Soutiens
be
ton
me.
frère.
Letters
voilà.
on a rock that nobody wants to visit.
Eh,
I know
moi je
you
suis
think
pas.
you're
Hein.
strong enough to handle that alone, and so does your brother. And you're both wrong. You have to take care of each other. You two are all I'll leave behind, like Gabe and Mariana will be for David. Legacy, Javier. It's all anyone leaves behind. That and their bones. Be brothers before it's too late.
Bones.
That's not too much to ask.
C'est-à-dire os.
One last favor for your old man.
Okay, Pa. I'll try.
As hard as you can.
As
hard.
hard as I can.
Je le teste. J'essayais déjà en fait. J'essayais déjà depuis le
I
départ.
still need to pay David.
Pa,
Ah.
Oye, if you had just won the game, we wouldn't have had this problem.
so you're blaming me for all this.
I'm depending on you, mijo.
Damn.
We both are.
Ouais, bah je vois ça, hein. Are you ready, boy? Are you ready for Rumble? Ok, il y en a beaucoup partout. Et on va défoncer du zombie. Oh putain, t'as vu comment il vise trop bien? Oh 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 oh! Les mecs, il y a des zombies, mais me tirez pas dessus! Sérieusement! En plus, tu as des lunettes de soleil, je suis désolé, tu vas pas voir très clair. Non! Laisse Kate tranquille! Oh, comment je t'ai défoncé la jambe! Headshot! Alors, headshot, 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 headshot. Là. Bébé, bébé, bébé! C'est bon, go! What? Dude! Please! Je ne veux pas de toi, Y! Ça devient de plus en plus gore ce jeu, c'est dingue. X dans ta tête! Voilà. Kate! Kate n'est plus là. Le camion a explosé ou... Mais pas vraiment en fait. B!
Kate! Gabe! David!
Over here! Where's Kate?
She's not here. She must have gotten out.
If something's happened to her, if you've gotten her...
What?
Shut up for once and help me find her.
What do you think I'm doing?
T'es en train de m'accuser alors que je suis en train d'essayer de sauver du monde. Il y a des zombies de partout, les gars ils marchent tranquilles, tu sais.
Kate!
Oh no! No, Kate! Allez, reviens en arrière! C'est Kate ça?
Don't worry. I'm I'm sure
Ah,
you have
c'était
that
pas
handled.
Kate, eh. C'était une fille qui lui ressemblait beaucoup.
Kate, I'm so
You
glad.
okay? Good. Shit, that was too close.
You scared the shit out of me. I thought you were dead.
I thought I was too.
Oh, le
You don't
spoil
need
de
to worry about
faux. Le faux spoil, tu sais. Dans l'affiche, on voyait Kate morte en mode zombie. Et je crois qu'il est pas très content. Il a l'air légèrement énervé.
Are you trying to get yourselves killed?
La jalousie.
There's Gabe
Oh,
and Clem.
il faut sauver les
Lead the
enfants.
way, Javi.
Ah, David pas content. Swing to the left.
Get the knee, like this. Nice.
I got a great teacher.
Non mais c'est pas le moment en fait, les amis.
You guys all right?
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Telltale présente.
Look at them. There's so many.
We'll be safer inside. Get in.
En association avec Skybound Entertainment. The Walking Dead, The New Frontier, c'est arrivé trop vite pour moi. Damn you. Clairement trip, en fait, je vais essayer de voir si on peut le sauver. Parce que bon, on l'a un petit peu trahi dans l'épisode précédent. Par contre, Eleanor, elle va se prendre une balle dans la tête, tu vois.
You put up a good fight out there.
Hey, Dad. I'm glad you made it out.
Joan's probably looking for us.
No, she isn't. Javi shot her.
What?
Ouais, non, mais
Good riddance.
c'est arrivé vite.
You were negotiating. I heard you. You didn't have to shoot.
Ta gueule, Gabe.
Everyone started panicking and shooting. We almost died.
I shot her so we could save David. End of story.
So why didn't she just shoot you? You were outnumbered. They only attacked after you pulled the trigger.
Faux. Faux.
He's right.
Gabe,
Joan had to go.
j'ai vu la version alternative
done
quand je
it
tire
too.
pas.
That's because you don't mind killing
pas ce qui
people,
arrive.
do you? Those dead guys, they were your friends.
Gabe, that's not fair.
Hey, you do not walk away from me. When someone speaks to you, you stand up and answer them. Even if you don't want to.
He's scared. Cut him some slack.
He's scared because you've coddled him. He has to learn to deal with his
C'est peut-être pas
problems.
faux.
I'm trying
On n'a pas le
to
temps
protect you, Gabe.
d'être capricieux.
I lost you once.
Non mais vraiment quoi, c'est l'apocalypse quoi, sérieusement. Les enfants dans Walking Dead, c'est les trucs qui m'énervent le plus.
We made it through alive. Let's just be glad about that.
We need to check the other entrances. Make sure we're safe.
Saison
Yeah,
6 de
wanna
The
help me
Walking
out?
Dead.
Gabriel,
Go help him, Gabe. It's okay.
he doesn't need your permission.
Ah, David, please.
I'll help too.
You are my brother.
Okay.
David, tu sais... Ah, mais c'est ça le problème en fait, avec la famille. Quoi qu'il arrive, t'es coincé avec, donc il faut que tu fasses avec.
Clem's with them. It's fine.
It's not that. It's... Let's just...
What?
I'm all over the place. I need to focus on something. Anything. Just need to focus. On whatever.
Let's see if there are any other survivors. It'd be good to know who's still around.
I don't want to think about how many people may have just died. But I guess I'm gonna have to find out eventually.
Ouais,
Let's
surtout,
go.
on a besoin de le faire tout de suite en fait, avant qu'ils ne meurent vraiment, tu vois. Parce que là, pour le coup, ils sont pas encore morts, s'ils sont encore vivants. Do you know the logic of the...
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck.
This is a fucking nightmare.
Non, il y avait des enfants aussi.
Mommy, it's them. I'm glad Mariana didn't live to see this.
Dis pas ça
To
là.
see what her father's become.
Oh, bah,
To see what I've done.
tu nous as
She'd
sauvés
be
là.
just like that little boy. Scared that the monsters are coming after her next. She would never trust us again. And I wouldn't
Comme
blame her.
disait un grand sage, Rafiki, le passé,
Leave
c'est le
Mariana
passé.
where she is. In peace. In the past.
How many children became orphans today because of us? How many parents are now childless?
Faut arrêter de penser comme ça, on est en apocalypse. Les gens, franchement, arrêtez d'être humains. C'est bon, c'est fini. Il y a des zombies et tout.
I did this to them. But that hole is there because of me.
I'm just as responsible for it as you are.
You weren't behind the wheel, Javi. It's different. I can't leave until I make this right. All of this. Let's fix this. As best we can.
Really? I thought you hated this place. All you've tried to do is get out.
These people, they didn't ask for this. Just like we didn't ask to lose Mariana.
Elle est
We
supérieure à moi,
couldn't
en
do
fait.
anything about that.
Beaucoup plus de volonté.
But
Je pense qu'elle a
maybe
survécu.
we can do something
C'est mon
about
problème.
this.
Pour moi, le problème, c'est les autres. Les humains. S'il n'y a pas d'humains sur Terre, il n'y a pas de zombies. Eh. Épisode 5. La montée vers l'échafaud. Eleanor, dis bonjour à Bat. Bat de baseball. Droit dans ton front.
You've got a lot of nerve showing up here after the bullshit you pulled.
Mais
You're unbelievable.
comment oses-tu?
Oh, I've got a lot of nerve. Everything that happened is because of you. This is all your fault.
I told you, I wanted you out of my life after what you did to Conrad.
Why did you tell Joan what we were doing?
I was triaging a bad situation. Their doctor is dead. And before you guys fucked it up, their walls worked. It's not only about me. I can actually save lives here. Not just stitch them up and hope for the best. These people will die without me, Javi.
I know she, well, fucked us over. But she's trying to help them. She's trying to make something right.
M'en bats les couilles.
That's worth forgiving, right? She's trying. That counts.
She can
Impossible.
go to hell. I want nothing to do with her.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
We should try to help. Not everyone here is guilty.
Fern, is that you, darling?
I'm here, handsome.
Vernon Rufus. What's wrong with him?
Bitten. He's slipping in and out of delirium.
We have to find Ada. We have to find our daughter.
I know that guy. We had a situation. He's lucky I didn't shoot him.
Looks like his luck
C'est le
just ran out.
premier gars
Let them
qu'on a
have a
choisi de ne
minute.
pas tuer tout le début.
It's the least
Qu'on
we
était
can
encore
do.
gentils.
Y'all get over here. You gotta cut his arm off.
It's too far along. I'm sorry.
Bullshit. It can work. I've seen it.
Do you want his last moments alive to be more painful than they
Eh,
need
moi
to
aussi je
be?
l'ai vu, hein, ça marche.
I
Hein.
just want to try. I can't lose everyone.
Ok, très bien, je vais lui couper son bras.
I'm begging you.
Ok.
I'll try. Hand over that axe.
Thank you.
Ok. Maintenant, je vais faire semblant de rater et je vais viser directement le cou d'Eleanor. Attention, vous allez voir. Ça va être rapide. Un coup sec. Chez moi, les traîtres ne vivent pas longtemps. Je vais tailler ton bras dans le biceps. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, j'ai raté le biceps, je suis désolé. Je voulais le biceps. Les gars. Un garrot? Please? Dépêchez-vous. He's dead?
No. No.
Ah, fuck.
No.
Oups. Eh? J'aurais pu le tuer dans le premier épisode.
He was too far along. The bloodlust didn't help either, I'm sure.
I'm sorry. I tried.
Elle m'a demandé de couper son bras, j'ai coupé son bras, il est mort, et alors, c'est pas de ma
What
faute.
can I do?
What the?
We're all fucking dead because of you.
Oh, sérieusement.
You blew a hole in our wall. Got my little girl killed. Got my whole fucking family killed. Richmond was fine until your stupid
Easy,
ass
Fern.
showed up.
T'es au courant quand il a tué la petite Mariana? Qui était la fille de
Take out
David?
this asshole while I can.
Ah ah.
Fern.
Shut up.
Pause your
Put it
game.
down. You don't want to hurt anyone.
Just like you put it down for Joan.
Stand down. That's an order.
Kate, no.
Fern, This is all because of me. I caused the explosion. I killed your daughter.
Ça
Please,
se prend une balle.
forgive me.
Ça va
It's
pas être
my
possible.
fault.
I am begging you. I hardly have any family left. Please don't take any more away from me.
Si tu la tues, de toute façon, je te fais bouffer tes tripes.
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Dad!
You're welcome, Javi.
That dead guy!
David, what are you doing?
This isn't right!
David! Oh my god!
Thank you. You just saved my life.
She was just a scared woman, David.
It's done. Get over it.
Le gun, le gun, le gun, le gun.
No!
David! Gabe! I'm sorry, that was an accident.
You were going to kill her!
She was going for her gun!
Look at her!
Gabe,
She can't even stand up! What the hell is wrong with you?
It was over the line, Gabe. You're right.
Gabe. I'm sorry.
En fait, je ressemble plus à David qu'à Ravi.
You know that.
Oh boy. God damn it.
Why the hell are you all looking at me that way?
They're scared, David.
Of what? I'm protecting them.
Why are you pointing a gun at us?
So I'm all alone. Fine then. You people are on your own.
Such an asshole.
Je peux partir avec David.
I've seen that look in his eyes before.
Il va survivre, lui.
You should go after him.
Par contre, moi, je vous dirais que j'aurais tué la fille aussi, hein. Pas ça, c'est ça le problème. En fait, tu vois, dans un monde apocalyptique, le seul moyen de rester vivant, c'est de tuer les autres. Donc, en fait, ma logique n'est pas si extraordinairement sadique que ça, tu vois. Déjà, des commentaires vont dire comme ça.
David?
J'ai l'impression que Cyrus
What are
devient
you
fou.
doing?
Tous ces jeux d'horreur doivent lui monter à la tête. C'est pas le camp, David.
That's a long way down. You'll fall fast, but you'll fall all the same.
Come over here. Or are you afraid of me too? I know the rest of them are. Right?
Even if they are, I'm not. I've dealt with scarier than you, brother.
There's no if, Javi. They are. My wife, Javi. My son. They look at me differently.
Maybe you're seeing them differently.
I want to show you something. Stand with me.
Ok. Si tu me pousses, je te tue. God damn it.
Why the hell are you smiling?
Tu vois,
See that sewer line over there?
notre territoire s'étend là-bas.
Perfect placement for a trench.
Même la partie dans l'ombre.
That hill about 100 paces west of it. A sniper's wildest dream come true. I'm a soldier, Javi. I see this landscape like a painter sees a blank canvas. Like how you used to see a baseball diamond. I'm a soldier. This makes sense to me. I was made for this.
Maybe it's crazy. But sometimes crazy things make sense. If only a little.
I'm surprised you understand.
Bah écoute, tu
A
sais,
soldier
je joue à
isn't a
DZ, hein.
husband. Or a father. A soldier is a soldier. Nothing else. Nothing. Nothing at all.
Call yourself whatever you want. I still see you as my brother.
That is kind of you to say, Javi. I wish I had your heart sometimes.
Ouais. Ah bon?
I want to change, Javi.
Littéralement ou...
I always have.
Really? All you ever tried to do was get me to change.
Only because I couldn't bring myself to do it first. It's the one war I could never win. And I'm wondering why. Is it because I don't know how? Or because it's impossible to change who you really are?
There's a way. There always is. No matter how lost you are. You just have to keep looking until you find it.
Looks pretty messy.
For now.
Maybe you're right.
Maybe.
Just gotta live long enough to find out.
Just like with anything else. I did what you asked.
You did. Thanks for that.
So now, will you step back?
Sure.
I found them! They're up here! Be careful, Javi. I ran into...
A trip.
He was still outside when we checked on the entrances.
The muertos were everywhere. We got him inside just in time.
Ouais, il faudra que j'aille
So we let
régler.
him in. There were so many muertos out there.
That was the right thing to do. Proud of you, buddy.
J'essaie de lui parler.
Trip. About earlier.
Yeah, about that. I ain't gonna punch you in the teeth. Though, I got every right.
Really? Figured you'd put up a little bit of a fight.
Oh, I'd love nothing more, but... I just... can't shake this slippery feeling I got. Like I'm... standing in shoes that don't quite
Putain,
fit.
Chino, il a caché les sous-titres.
You picked me to die, and... someone else did instead. Ain't sitting right. Not one bit.
Écoute, je l'ai vu venir.
I knew she wouldn't shoot you. I knew she was gonna shoot Ava instead.
Don't bullshit a bullshitter, partner.
Si,
I keep putting myself in your position.
si, j'étais
About
sûr.
Conrad, about all of this. Asking myself over and over again whether I'd do the same. I'd love to tell you I wouldn't. I really would. But I can't. If someone threatened my family, I'd shoot him in a heartbeat. Hell, I'd shoot him twice to make sure the lesson stuck.
Et moi, je l'achèverai encore un coup de batte de baseball pour être sûr.
It's a complicated world. But at least there's people to share it with. Bygones? How about it? I'm in if you are.
I'm lucky to know you, Trip. You're a good man.
Try not to piss me off again, please.
Cool. Je suis content que ça s'est bien arrangé avec Trip, parce que je l'aime bien, lui.
There's so many. They're pouring in.
It's even worse than you think. The streets are overrun. Nowhere to go except inside the buildings, and those smelly fuckers are beating down every door. We're sitting goddamn ducks here. Everyone in town is.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck have we done?
So what do? I don't want to die up here.
None of us do, Gabe.
Take out each and every one of them. Kill them before they kill us.
I saw construction vehicles when we got that truck. Bulldozers and stuff. What if
Gabe
we use
est
one of
votre
those
plan.
to just,
Putain, c'est grave.
I don't know, run the muertos over?
Oh.
That's over by the motor pool at the water tower. We could use the highway overpass to get to the water tower.
Ok.
Come on. Let's jump.
Jump, comment tout le monde peut jump là? T'es sûr de ton coup là? Parce que
Come on. It's an easy jump.
t'appuies sur A, Gabe, hein? T'appuies sur A avant de sauter. C'est facile. Eleanor, elle vient pas? Clémentine est vachement silencieuse depuis le
Keep
début
your
du
eyes
let's play.
open. Stay aware of your surroundings. All of you. Let's move out.
Attention,
When
il y
we
a peut-être
found Kate earlier, she walked right past me, like she didn't even know who I was. Right past me, and right towards you. Why was that? Just wondering.
That can only mean one thing. She likes me more.
Not a great time to joke around, Javi.
C'était pas une blague en fait. Il a pris pour une blague, mais non, moi je dis la vérité, c'est vrai, elle préfère, c'est tout. À la base, il était gentil. Non, monsieur Lunette, non. T'aurais
We
dû
need to
prendre
be
un
careful
couteau.
up here, or else the exact same thing will happen to us.
Not
Stay
the-
sharp and do not fire your guns. We're gonna be fine. That guy was all alone. We're not.
La différence, c'est que en fait, pendant que quelqu'un se fait manger, les autres peuvent s'enfuir. Tu vois, c'est la logique extrême de cette stratégie.
Everyone hold back. Let Javi and I clear out these walkers.
Et Trip, non? Parce qu'il sait se battre, hein? Je l'ai vu. Il est fort, hein? Bille dans ta tête!
Good to go. Let's move.
Oh oh. On se dépêche. Il y a la masse qui arrive. Hey lady,
You okay, bud?
you look fine today. Tu ne parles plus? T'es en colère?
When I was little,
Ah, ok.
Dad used to ask me what I wanted to be when I was a man. And I'd point at him. He always liked that. I thought he was such a great guy. It would always make him smile.
If he asked you again right now, would you say the same?
He hasn't asked me yet.
Attention! Kate! Ok, tu sais te débrouiller, girl. Great job. Je suis fier de toi. Les zombies qui marchent au ralenti derrière, les mecs qui marchent tranquilles, tu sais, ils s'en foutent. Au calme, quoi.
He told me that all the time.
Ils racontent leur vie.
Don't be a man who relies on other people to solve your problems. Because then you're not a man at all. I used to think he was right. Not anymore, though, Javi. I can only hope I grow up to be like you. So, here's hoping.
I just can't believe your dad said that. It's pretty shitty.
He was wrong. You know that. So do I. You took such good care of me. Now we need to take care of Dad. He's the one that needs our help.
Tu as raison. On va le faire changer. Au pire. Au mieux. Il y a une voiture ici. On dépêche de traverser.
We're gonna have to go around the side.
There's barely any room.
La voiture est du genre à tomber en fait, hein.
No time to waste. Come on.
You know, I didn't think there was much that could scare me anymore. And yet, here we are.
Il y a toujours pire, tu
Just
sais.
goes to show you, life is full of surprises.
This isn't that bad. I believe in you guys. You can do this.
Allez, on va regarder. J'y vais. Est-ce que je peux regarder en bas éventuellement pour voir ce qui se passe? Tu sais, juste un petit regard en bas, juste pour voir si c'est vraiment bas. Oh boy!
Take my hand, man.
Oh, ils sont mignons. Trip.
Thanks, Trip. That was...
Non!
Ah, fuck you, fuckstick. Son
Okay.
of a goddamn.
Did you get...
This ain't nothing. Once we're back on the ground, that's when this shit's really gonna get scary. Got a bad feeling. Good lord. It's nasty down there.
You just saved my life. I mean, thanks, Trip. I'm glad you have my back.
Lucky catch. That's all.
Trip, c'est le mec, tu vois, il y a un zombie qui l'attrape par surprise et il l'envoie valdinguer, genre comme ça au calme, comme une brindille.
We have to get across.
D'hélicoptère suspendu. T'avais peur tout à l'heure, Kate? Parce que là, c'est pire. Oh.
I know Gabe doesn't see it, but David really is trying to look out for him. He's not doing the best job, but no one gives you a rule book to raise a kid.
And they sure as shit don't.
There's just one thing I don't get, though. Did David really think he was helping AJ by letting him go? Why did he stop guarding him?
Maybe you should ask him that. It might be that he just didn't care. Not everyone's like you, Clem. Not everyone wants to take care of a baby.
I guess not, but after you put in all that work, so much of your heart.
AJ was a brat. He lived with me after we kicked you out, Clem. I'd already raised 2 kids. Thought it'd be a piece of cake. Not with that tyrant.
Is that why you gave him away?
We had a bad winter. destroyed every crop we had. I couldn't leave Richmond, and AJ couldn't stay in Richmond. I gave AJ to Lingard and told him to do whatever he had to save his life. I miss that, Brett. Never asked Lingard about it again.
Well, sounds like it was your only option. You did the right thing.
I hope so. I think about it every day. It wasn't easy, Clem. Remember, far as I knew, I'd already lost 2 children. Wasn't any easier with number 3.
It's never easy.
I'm gonna keep you alive. Keep all of us alive. And hope that that's enough. Enough for atonement.
No one survives by doing what their heart says. They survive by doing what their brain says. If that was his best chance to live, I get it.
Waouh. Alors là, tout le monde qui me critiquait dans mes décisions depuis le début, je suis désolé, j'ai l'impression que ça se passe super bien. Comme un couteau dans du beurre chaud. Hein? Comme le fil à couper le beurre qui découpe le beurre, tu vois, tranquillement.
Chopped right in
Je sais pas
half.
pourquoi je parle de beurre en fait. J'ai avoir faim. Alors, regarde avec tes yeux de lynx.
What the hell happened here?
L'hélicoptère s'est écrasé, ravi. Et ça a pété le pont. Ça, je veux dire, c'est quand même assez évident, quoi, j'ai envie de te dire. Tu vois, je veux dire, il faut pas être un imbécile.
There's the water tower. Not too far away.
Ouais, c'est pas faux. Et je peux attraper ça. J'ai pas envie. Regarde ça en bas.
No way we're jumping across that.
Il y a un mec pendu là, c'est rigolo. Ah, c'est sûrement le mec, ses pieds, on les a vus en haut, c'est ça? Attrapé. C'est une très mauvaise idée, Ravi. C'est une très très mauvaise idée, Ravi. Ne fais pas ça, Ravi. Réfléchis à 2 fois, Ravi. Ravi, s'il te plaît. N'as-tu jamais regardé de film d'horreur, Ravi? Destination finale, ça te dit quelque chose? Oh, Ravi. Tu vas faire la plus grosse erreur de ta vie, Ravi. Bah
I'm not
écoute.
thinking.
It's that or go back.
Oh boy.
We should go lightest to heaviest. That way it won't break on the first swing.
I'll go first, Clem.
Non. Bah de toute façon, il sera obligé de passer de toute façon. Donc qu'il aille en dernier ou en premier,
Get
c'est
a long
pareil.
run up, but not too long. If you take too many quick steps, you'll propel yourself upward instead of out. Same with your jump. Just run off the end, don't leave.
David.
Try not to...
He's got this.
She's right. I do.
Ok. Ah. T'as compris vraiment en fait, ou bien tu fais ça juste pour paraître cool? Oh Gabe. Like butter. Eh ben, j'ai
on,
l'impression
Clem.
que c'était facile.
Your turn.
Quand ce sera au tour de Trip, il va se passer quoi concrètement? Là, ça va être Kate maintenant? Ça va pas tenir.
For the record, I do not trust this thing.
J'imagine.
Not at all. It's one thing for the kids to swing across, but us?
You've got this. I've seen you do things that are way scarier.
Okay. I can do it.
Ça va, David? Pas trop en colère parce qu'elle ne t'ignore totalement, qu'elle te parle pas depuis tout à l'heure? Ça fait quoi d'être dans la ignoration de John? La ignoration de John.
All right, David, you're up.
You're the little brother. You should go first. Oh, you're definitely lighter.
Ah, come on, you know the drill. Age before beauty.
You fucker.
Dans ta face. C'est trop long comme scène en fait. C'est obligé que ça foire. Ah oui, c'est vrai, il y a des zombies. C'est vrai que ce jeu s'appelle Walking Dead. Oh, pourquoi ils ont fait tomber la voiture?
Trip, you don't have to.
Just go before I throw you across.
Pourquoi Trip? Hey Trip. Oh! Mais bien sûr! Avec le seul zombie qu'il y a là, quoi! Hello, baby. You look fine today. Je vais essayer de monter. Genre, putain, franchement, au niveau traction, faut le faire. Calme-toi, calme-toi. Non, 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 non. Non, oh boy. Allez, va voir là-bas s'il est dessus. Voilà, reste là-bas et bouge pas. Oh putain. Allez, utilise-le. Comme d'un promontoire. Oh mais comment on fait pour trip maintenant?
Trip!
It's all right, y'all.
Shit.
We should go back for him.
How?
Don't be fucking thick. I can handle this. Oh shit.
Trip!
Don't give up!
Oh my god.
We gotta try. We can't just leave him.
Y'all head out now. I don't want you seeing this.
Come on!
Motherfucker!
Trip! No!
Ah!
He went out fighting. I hope I do too.
I'm sorry about your friend, Javi. He seemed like a good guy.
Je l'ai pas vu mourir.
Kind of guy you
Pour
want
moi,
on
il
your
est pas
side
mort.
in a fight.
Bon, moi, il va revenir.
It's priceless.
Non, je l'ai pas vu mort. Je me suis déjà fait avoir une fois.
We're almost there.
Si je vois pas la personne morte, elle est pas morte. Attends, regarde Kate, on l'a pas vu mourir. Et elle était pas morte. Voilà, c'est pareil. J'y crois dur comme fer. J'en suis persuadé. C'est pas possible. Trip ne peut pas mourir. Pas après tout ce qu'on a fait. Pas après être devenu genre best buddies, tout ce que tu veux.
I miss when all we did was track the herd. From a safe distance.
We need to get down there.
We're not getting anywhere without one of those vehicles.
It's not like we can just ask all those walkers to move out of the way.
How about we make some noise and distract them? We could use that generator.
That's a great idea, Gabe.
When'd you get so smart, Gabe? You really aren't the same kid I remember. I'm impressed.
Hey, don't give him too big of a head. He's still got some learning to do.
Don't listen to him, Gabe. You're doing just fine.
We still gotta get to the generators somehow.
Cut a walker open and cover yourself with its guts. Then you can slip right through them.
You.
What?
Ugh. Hey, please tell me you're kidding. I said please.
C'est la méthode ultime.
Who's gonna do it?
Gabe? Vu que t'as l'air
Javi,
intelligent.
you've been willing to do some crazy stuff for me before. I know shooting Conrad wasn't easy, but it showed me I can always depend on you.
Ah oui, carrément. Ah, j'ai été toujours loyal par rapport à toi.
Look, it smells really bad, like way worse than you think.
C'est pas encourageant. Pauvre petit bébé. Petit bébé edgy, lui aussi il a dû subir ça. D'ailleurs on le verra pas du tout en fait dans ce... Hey! Ouais? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Mais dis donc, tu as un très joli pantalon, ma parole. Et je fais quoi là? Je fais quoi? Je fais quoi? Je fais quoi? Mais il y avait pas de bouton! What the fuck? Ouais, qu'est-ce qu'il y a encore? Bah écoute, tout à l'heure je t'ai appelé et je savais pas quoi faire avec toi. Là! Putain! Mais ouais, il faut me dire de regarder sa tête. Moi je suis pas assez intelligent pour regarder en haut tout le temps, hein. Tu me donnes une caméra, je regarde partout. Ça faut au bon endroit. Des choses qui arrivent. Ne me jugez pas pour ça.
Ok.
Vous aussi, vous auriez pu faire l'erreur si vous jouez à ma place. Allez. Je vais ouvrir ton ventre.
Fucking...
God.
Oh.
Imagine que les jeux étaient en odorama.
Oh, this sucks, this sucks, this sucks, this sucks. Do you just literally eat shit all day long? Is that why you smell so bad?
Et c'est pas la boue, c'est la merde en fait.
Okay.
Shit c'est la
That
merde.
better be enough.
On va y aller. Oh, eh. Maintenant, faut marcher en zombie aussi. Faut marcher en zombie, mec. Tu peux pas faire semblant comme ça. Nice eye, dude. Oh. Ah ouais, j'adore ton œil. Merci, Billy. Oh. Quelqu'un a pété ou quoi? C'est moi ou ça sent la merde ici? Ah oui, j'ai oublié, c'est moi. Il n'a pas de bouche. Il peut pas me mordre. C'est un danger pour personne. Eh, regarde comment il danse, lui. Eh, dude. Eh, la mâchoire inférieure est en kit. Alors, comment faire maintenant? Oh boy. Il a vraiment enlevé du sang avec sa manche ensanglantée et il pense vraiment que ça peut marcher?
Barely.
Ta gueule.
Now that we're here, let's find something we can take out all the muertos with.
Definitely.
We're saving the city before we do anything else. We gotta find something to seal the breach with. All we need is the right vehicle.
Bah,
Now,
le gros,
that's not gonna do the job, man.
Yes, it is.
What are you doing?
The right thing. I'm leaving. We're all leaving.
What? And going where? You saw it yourself. We're surrounded by the herd.
I'm taking my family out of here. You helped keep them safe, Clem. You're coming too. Let's go. Everyone. We can't wait around.
This is bullshit, David.
We can't split up. We're dead if we do.
Then we don't split up. We protect each other like family.
This all started the day we knocked on Richmond's door. We brought this on these people, all of us. We can't abandon them. Not after what we've done.
We're going home, Kate. Back to the last place we were a family. We're starting over. We're all together again. Finally. It's time. All of us. A new day, a new life.
But what about here, man? Make Richmond our new home.
Richmond is gone, Javi. I'm not gonna let the people I love die trying to save a dead dream.
I'll go with you, Dad.
Gabe!
He's my father, Clem. I'm sorry, but you really wouldn't understand.
Think this over, buddy.
Gabe? Is this what you really want?
I know it's scary out there, but I have to.
You don't have to be afraid, Gabe. I won't let what happened to Mariana happen to you. You have my word. I will protect you the right way. I'm not missing another minute with my family now.
This is what I want.
I understand, Gabe.
I'm still going back. I won't be able to live with myself if I don't try to help the people in Richmond.
You won't be able to live at all if you do that. Richmond is compromised. Doesn't matter if there were 5 of us trying to save it or 500. We'd all die. I know a losing battle when I see one. We're moving out. Everybody get in. That's an order.
How fucking dare you? What will it take, David? What will it take to show you that you do not get to do that? We are not your soldiers. Run away home. Be a deserter. I am done with you. I can't believe I ever loved you. I can't believe I ever loved either of you.
Javi, what the hell is she talking about?
Rien du tout.
Javi!
Eh ben,
I may have felt something once. When I found out you were alive, though, I pushed those feelings away. You have to believe me.
I don't have to believe a goddamn thing!
David, please! No!
I should have known the night Pa died. The night you weren't there. Blood is worthless to you, just like he was to you, just
Tout
like
ce
I
que j'ai
am
fait
to you.
depuis le début du jeu pour essayer d'éviter ça arrive à cause d'un choix de tel. Franchement, le scénarium est plus fort que tout. Le scénarium aura la fin.
David! Stop it!
Je t'aime, mec.
I love you.
No. No, you don't get to say that!
Jesus Christ, stop!
How fucking dare you!
That's enough! Stop it!
Undertale Power! I love you!
I love you! No! Stop saying that!
I show mercy!
No!
Gabe! Oh my god!
You're not taking my family from me!
David, no!
I love you, brother!
Fucking
I love you!
I love you, brother.
No!
Oh putain, j'ai fait la promesse! Oh
Holy shit!
J'ai tenu la promesse faite au père! Oh putain, j'ai réussi! Oh putain, je savais pas! Ah!
Javi!
David! What the hell is he doing?
David took him.
We can't wait any longer. We have to go help Richmond. I'm getting on that bulldozer.
But Gabe!
Gabe wanted to go. He did. We all heard it.
You're right.
Ça va, Clem?
I'm going to save Richmond. Someone has to.
Let's split up, Javi. I'll go after Gabe on that motorcycle if you don't. Otherwise, I'll go with Kate on the bulldozer.
Are you sure you'll be okay without me?
I can take care of myself.
We're out of time.
Javi, I'm sorry. I've been here before, more than once. It's not gonna end well for everyone. You have to decide.
I don't want to decide! I don't want!
It's hard to be caught in the middle. I know that.
I don't
Don't worry
want!
about me, Javi. I'll be okay.
I want to!
We're running out of time.
I don't know!
Javi!
Someone has to go after Gabe. I guess I'm that someone.
Okay, then I'll go help Kate. It's the smart idea. Kate and I will watch out for each other.
You're gonna have to.
I want you to be safe out there, Javi.
No problem. Am I returning the favor?
Sure. Thanks for asking.
Les mitraillettes chargées derrière, personne ne prend. Je veux dire, il y avait des mitraillettes dans le placard. Il y a des mitraillettes dans le placard.
That's gotta be David's work.
Ah, ouais.
Thanks for leaving the trailer roadkill, brother. Should lead me right to you.
Pas des cadavres d'animaux, non, c'est pas des animaux, mec. Tu sais pas voir ou quoi, c'est des humains transformés en zombies. Eh, je suis pas fou, moi. Ouh, ça va être classe, là. Oh, ça... Ça, c'est classe, mec. Oh, décapitation avec une batte de baseball. Je veux dire, c'est la première fois que je vois ça. Ah, il est parti à gauche. Eh, c'est pas juste, hein, t'aurais pu mettre plus de QTE pour la conduite, hein, j'aurais bien aimé jouer ce passage, hein, genre éviter de réussir à tourner à gauche, par exemple, ça aurait été marrant. À voir, je sais pas. Oh merde.
They're everywhere! Don't let them get you! Hang on, Gabe!
Ok, ok, toi tu vas avoir un coup de Y dans ta... What the fuck? Y'avait pas de QTE! Y'a trop de zombies! Oh putain! Dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi! Toi! Ouh, c'était violent! Ouh, ça c'est aussi c'est violent! Mais dépêche-toi! T'as pas le temps pour ça! Non! Ouch! Allez, on se dépêche! Il y a trop de zombies!
Hang on, Gabe!
J'ai plus de balles! Si t'avais pris les mitraillettes qu'il y avait dans le placard, ça serait jamais arrivé! Ah, il m'énerve, hein! Ah, il m'énerve, hein! De toute façon, heureusement que j'ai joué au baseball! Ça n'arrivera jamais dans mon monde! Hein? Que je puisse ne pas gagner! Eh, Lucille, elle va tous les détruire!
That's right! Focus on me! Oh, come on!
Follow me!
That's it, that's it!
Attention! Dans le genou! Et dans la tête! Oh yeah! Oh, dans les couilles! Ouh! 2 en 1. Oh, Madame Jeffrey de la claque maternelle! Oh. Non! Effectivement, c'était peut-être pas le bon choix. Boom! In the head! Ouh! In your head! Ouh! Ouh! Dans les côtes! Ouh, ça fait mal! Oh, ça doit faire mal. Ah, il doit plus respirer correctement après ça. Oh! Oh là, t'as passé un sale quart d'heure, toi, hein, n'est-ce pas? I'm run, motherfucker! Oui, c'est moi! Oh non! David!
Get away from you, bastard!
Oh! Oh, son œil est sorti! Ne me dis pas qu'il était mordu. Tout ça pour ça, quoi.
I'm here, Gabe. I got you.
My dad.
Il est où?
David! I couldn't fight them all, Javi. Oh, no, no, no! I'm sorry. Gabe, look away! Okay, come on, man. Okay. I got you, David. Did they get you?
I'm fine. It just... It hurts. I tried to stop him, Javi. That's why we crashed.
Donc c'est ta faute. C'est pas grave. C'est sa faute autant à lui qu'à toi. Enfin, je sais pas comment on peut dire ça. On peut pas dire ça à un
Unless you
enfant.
want to.
No. Can you? Please?
Of course. Keep an eye out for the muertos. You know what Pa told me the day Gabe was born? What's that? It takes everything to raise a child, mijo. And I don't mean money, or time, or patience. I mean everything. When you give everything, it's hard to know what to do when you lose everything. It's... I know you were doing what you thought best, David. It's never an easy thing.
Gabe, take care of him, Javi. You have to take care of each other. Please.
Every day, you have my word.
Même s'il est relou.
My little boy. Te quiero, Gabriel.
Te quiero, Mariana. Te quiero, Javier.
I'll do it. Before he turns. It's my responsibility. I can do it.
Okay, Gabe. He'd be proud of you.
I hope so.
I know so.
Il avait un chargeur dans sa poche. Il est sérieux ce mec. Est-ce qu'il est sérieux en fait dans sa tête? Il a tout défoncé à main nue avec la batte de baseball alors qu'il avait un chargeur dans sa poche. Javier. Ferme pas les yeux en fait. Tu vas le rater. Gabe. Gabe. Ah, ok d'accord. Dépêche-toi. Faut le faire tout de suite. Réfléchis pas trop longtemps, il va se transformer.
We have to head back. Come on.
What? Les gens du royaume?
There's a happy sight.
Let's get inside. We gotta find Kate. Jesus! Oh man, am I glad to see you. Looking a little bit different though.
Once I got in contact with my people, I headed right back. Had to make sure you folks were safe.
C'est
Can
Jésus!
you help us get the gate open?
J'ai pas reconnu! Ouais, ok, ça marche.
You gotta boost me up, Gabe.
Comment? Ok, d'accord. Mais bien sûr. Ouais. Allez, go! Lâche-toi!
I'll have it open in a second.
Vérifie qu'il n'y a pas un zombie avant.
Have open gate button.
Non. Wouh, bah ça a l'air compliqué. Alors, backward, pousser... le bouton rouge me semble très bien.
Ah, shit.
Are you trying to attract even more walkers?
No.
Bleu. Non, ça marche pas. God damn it, people. Sérieusement. C'est le bouton, là.
Okay, never pull that lever again, Javier.
Ouais, je sais pas à quoi il servait. Forward.
Nope.
God damn it, mais sérieux, j'ai appuyé sur tous les boutons, là. Ah, bah c'était le bouton vert.
Let's get inside and wrangle the walkers together. If we get them in one group, we can lead them right out.
Les gens du royaume, ils sont quand même super classe. Donc Jésus est avec le royaume. Il n'est plus avec le Hilltop. Est-ce que ça se passe après saison 7? Je ne sais pas dire.
We need to round up these walkers.
Kate? Kate, where are you?
Heading towards the gate.
What's going on?
Bah,
I can't find Kate.
We got separated after we sealed the breach. We were going to open the gate, but there were so many walkers. I barely made it through.
Clémentine.
No, I did. We have to find her. Help me look.
Of course.
Kate!
Kate!
Clémentine, tu m'avais promis, Clémentine.
Come on to me.
Waouh, il y a le téléphone. Waouh, le cheval qui se téléporte, c'est magique. Putain, c'est normal qu'ils arrivent à gagner s'ils ont des trucs qui se téléportent. Ils ont fait plein de trucs ici, je sais pas ce qu'ils ont fait. Je suis obligé d'aller voir la let's play d'un autre youtubeur pour voir ce qu'il a choisi. Punaise.
Kate, please.
Kate! Kate! Where are you?
Kate? Kate!
Javi. I think she's gone.
Tu crois? Tu penses ou t'en es sûr?
Just gone.
No.
fucking happening?
Javi,
What happened?
I don't know, buddy. I can't find her. I can't stop looking. Kate, where are you?
Kate! Kate!
Hey, please!
Kate, where the fuck are you?
Tu crois qu'elle est morte? Tu crois qu'ils... En fait, c'est ça la blague, c'est que... 3 jours plus tard, merde. Donc la blague, c'est que soit tu as la fin avec le frère, soit tu as la fin avec Kate, c'est ça? Putain, merde. Trois jours plus tard. Trip. Je pensais que t'étais pas mort.
Maybe you should have stayed with her instead of going after me. Maybe she'd be okay.
Ça, petit Gabe, on
Maybe
se
you
l'aura
wouldn't
jamais.
be.
I was such an asshole to her. All the time. I'm sorry, Kate.
It's okay, buddy. Who isn't an asshole nowadays? It's not a nice world. Why should you be any different?
I just wish I could have apologized in person. I tried to stop him, Javi. That's why we hit the muertos. I thought that if we just went back, that I could save him. I thought I had to.
You don't deserve that guilt. You took a stand. You tried to do the right thing.
He died because of it, Javi.
Sometimes that's what happens. But that doesn't mean we stop trying.
Mariana, Kate, Dad. I wonder which one of us will be up there next.
Bah toi. Parce que moi je joue Ravir en fait. Donc j'ai aucun doute sur sa survie. Mais toi par contre,
It's all that's
aucune
left of them.
assurance quoi.
Pieces of paper looking back at us, but never seeing us. What the hell are we supposed to do with that? What do we do with any of this?
Tell stories about them. Laugh at the jokes they used to tell. Keep living. Keep loving. Keep them in our hearts. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can.
Tristesse, tristesse. Donc elle est vraiment morte? Je suppose que oui, puisqu'ils l'ont pas retrouvée, mais ils ont même pas trouvé son cadavre en fait. Hein. Non, elle est vivante. Elle a dû s'enfuir quelque part. Tu vois, on va faire un DLC spécial Kate. Tu vois, elle tombe sur le groupe de Rick et tout.
Head now?
Et après il dit
Yes,
non, tu
indeed.
dis pas que je suis
You
vivante.
came here to put an end to the raiding? Looks like that's been done. Glad we got it settled. Gotta move on.
We lost a lot. We may have helped fix things, but there was a cost to it all.
There usually is, unfortunately. I was worried about you, Javi. About who you are inside. You helped save these people, though. That goes a long way for me. Second chances are in short supply these days. That's what this place can be, if you let it. Trust me, though. Life within walls is a hell of a lot different than life on the road. Don't take shortcuts like Joan. You gotta do the right thing.
Ouais. Quoi, c'est moi le chef?
Good days, and especially bad.
Absolutely. The right thing. No matter what.
Good to hear. I read people pretty well. Little gift of mine. You're a capable guy, Javi.
Pas fan
Change
du
is in
chignon, par
the
contre,
air
hein.
here. You can lead that change, and I think you should. For the better. God knows this town could use it.
You know what? I'm gonna step up. Lead this place in the right direction.
Then as far as I'm concerned,
Je vais faire mon Rick.
Richmond's in much better hands than it was.
Si les gens veulent me suivre, hein, de toute façon,
Hey.
ils n'ont pas le choix.
Jesus?
Hey, Gabe.
Thanks for, you know, not letting me get killed, and for coming back to help us.
Yeah. Thanks for that, man.
Pay it forward. Be vigilant. Trouble never stays too far away.
Bye bye.
So you're out of here too, huh?
Yeah. It's time. I have to find AJ, Javi. I've waited so long. But could you do me one last favor before I leave?
Ouais. Tu veux que je te... Ah, elle a pris la veste à Kate. What? Je croyais qu'on l'avait... On l'a trouvé? Non? Je sais pas. Je suis perdu. Et c'est vraiment pour couper ses cheveux en fait. Moi je disais en plaisanterie moi.
I used to do this for my niece.
That's nice of you.
Damn,
She thought I was terrible at it.
Were you?
None of your business.
I'm really gonna miss Gabe. I mean, he's super annoying sometimes, but I've gotten used to having him around. At least, to have someone to talk to.
Not that he said anything to me in particular, but you know the guy's got a Mondo crush on you, right?
He does not.
Oh my gosh, you have a crush on him too.
I do not.
Non,
Well,
ma
you
petite
both have my
Claire.
blessing.
I'm gonna
merde.
stab you with those scissors.
Je voulais pas mettre blessing, mais bon, apparemment il a...
I have to see AJ, Javi.
What the
I
fuck?
have to see that he's okay.
Coupe pas ses cheveux comme ça mec, qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Do you think he remembers me?
Oui.
At least a little?
So long as he's safe, who cares what he remembers?
Yeah, I guess so. Everyone told us he was better off. After everything that's happened, I'm starting to think they're right. I don't know if I was a good mom or not. I can't stop thinking about it.
It's not about good or not good. You kept him alive. You did your job.
Until someone else had to do it for me. Gabe told me you used to play baseball.
I did. I loved it.
He told me you fucked it all up too.
Avec ces mots là, il a dit?
Sure did.
Well, you survived,
I had to.
but you loved it. How do you survive that? How?
You get back out there and find something better.
There may not be something better out there.
You won't know until you step outside.
Il pourrait... Non, il va couper trop court là, ça c'est bon, calme-toi hein.
All done.
Elle est chauve?
Well,
No.
how's it look?
Oh boy!
You know what? I'll grab your hat. I remember this team. Your dad ever teach you about baseball?
No, not really.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a
When
foutu?
you come back, and I'll tell you all about it.
It's a deal.
Dude.
If I bring AJ back with me, will you teach him too?
Ouais, mais...
You bet. He belongs with you, Clementine.
Je peux pas dire laisse-le tranquille, c'est méchant pour elle, elle va essayer de retrouver le gars.
Bring him back.
Donc en fait, elle va se taper toute la route avec une coiffure aussi mauvaise. Je suis vraiment désolé. Ils auraient dû me laisser faire un mini-jeu, tu sais, pour couper ses cheveux. Ça aurait été marrant en fait, le résultat, tu sais. Parce qu'on subit beaucoup dans ce jeu, hein. On joue pas beaucoup, hein. Elle a changé de style, hein. Au revoir Clémy. Tu vas à pied? Tu veux pas un véhicule? Gabe, tu veux que je te coupe les cheveux aussi ou pas? J'ai obtenu au moins 2 points d'expérience dans le coupage de cheveux, tu vois. T'imagines même pas à quel point je suis fort maintenant. Ah, c'est la fin? On finit comme ça. Votre expérience avec Survivant a été sincère. Votre expérience avec Survivant a été... Ah, d'accord, en fait, Survivant, c'est censé être le nom du personnage. A été graduelle. Votre expérience avec Gabe a été prudente. Trip est mort. Votre histoire avec Trip est mort. Alors, Ava est mort et Lingard aussi. Alors, Conrad est décédé. J'ai fait beaucoup de chasse, putain. Êtes-vous monté sur le rebord avec David? 93% des joueurs l'ont fait. 53% des joueurs n'étaient pas avec Clémentine lors de ce moment difficile. Quel moment difficile? Votre Clémentine est devenue une âme nouvelle. Oh, Clémentine et Eiji pensaient enfin avoir trouvé un foyer à la quincaillerie House, mais Jen, torturée après une décision difficile, et a tout changé. Et tout a changé. Abandonnant le corps sans vie de Jane derrière eux, Clémentine et Eiji se sont retrouvés seuls. Après avoir été obligés de rejoindre la nouvelle frontière, Clem n'a pas hésité à utiliser les ressources du groupe à ses propres fins, ce qui a conduit le groupe à l'exiler après des adieux déchirants. Quand Ravi et David se sont battus au château d'eau, Clem s'est souvenu d'un combat similaire il y a longtemps sur une aire de repos couverte de neige. Elle a tiré sur David pour le blesser et mettre un terme à ses éclats de violence, tout en s'assurant de ne pas le tuer. Oh putain, tu veux dire que le choix que j'avais fait dans The Walking Dead saison 2 a influé sur le fait que Clémentine a fait dans cette partie? Waouh, si c'est le cas, c'est fort. Une fois David parti en camion avec Gabe, Clem a décidé que la meilleure stratégie serait de partir de son côté et d'aider autant de personnes que possible, sachant que Javier et elle pourraient se débrouiller seuls. Clémy, qu'est-ce que tu fous? Tu gères like a boss. Elle est un petit peu classe quand même, notre Clémy. Hein. Waouh. L'histoire de Clémentine n'est pas terminée. Oh, allez. Pétard. Ah, la musique est trop bien. Mais elle est tellement copyright, je sais même pas si, enfin, je sais pas si je la laisse ou pas. Ça dépend en fait, est-ce que si cette musique enfin bref, on s'en fout. Quoi qu'il en soit les amis, j'espère que vous avez apprécié cette vidéo. N'hésitez pas à me le faire savoir dans les commentaires en me disant putain c'est Ross, à quand la suite de The Walking Dead? Eh ben ce sera pas maintenant, hein, ce sera dans 2 ans certainement. Et encore j'en sais rien, je travaille pas avec tel. Par contre je suis pressé qu'il change de moteur graphique, ça commence à faire vieux. Quoi qu'il en soit, j'espère que vous avez apprécié cette vidéo. N'hésitez pas à laisser un max de pouces bleus pour montrer que vous aimez les jeux d'aventure sur cette chaîne. Parce que, voilà, il y a l'équipe des jeux d'horreur qui s'en donne à cœur joie. Les mecs qui dépassent les 5000 pouces bleus sur les vidéos. Tandis que vous, l'équipe des jeux d'aventure, je sais pas. Il faut faire quelque chose parce que dans Koh-Lanta, généralement, voilà, ils sont éjectés de la partie. Et ils touchent pas 1 million d'euros à la fin. Quoique, j'ai rien dit. Quoi qu'il en soit, je vous fais des bisous tout partout. Et on se retrouve dans une prochaine vidéo. C'est Ross. Out.